We are looking at an office for immediate rental. Hi, greetings to you. I'm Soon Seng from SnugSolace. Today, we'll be looking at an office for immediate rental. And as usual, viewing has started and let's go! This office is located at Waterloo Centre and the space to let out is estimated at 200 square feet. It can comfortably seat 4 persons and it comes with a cosy pantry and a clean toilet. So if you are interested to view this listing, please give this number a ring and I'll be arranging an exclusive viewing for you. Meanwhile, stay safe, have a good day, and I look forward to see you.